Hi and welcome back to the third installment in my GetResponse tutorial. In the first couple of videos, first of all we created a list, second of all we created an autoresponder, and today we're going to be doing the landing page. So as with the other two videos, we go over to our menu tab at the top left and click on landing pages. Then click on the blue create landing page. This will bring up the templates. Now you can build from scratch. You can create all sorts of different kind of templates. So there's video templates, webinar, sales templates, promotional templates. Of course there's thank you pages, which a lot of these come with thank you pages. You can also build from scratch and it will give you a very simple template, and it could be a video template or just a graphic template. If I just choose one of these pre-done templates for you, you can see it comes with the landing page and the thank you page. First of all, you just put your name in. So if I put 10-day list building and click on next step, this will bring up the template. Now on the right hand side you'll have drag and drop boxes with all sorts of elements that you can put into your template. You can add your logo up at the top left. You've got a button here, and there's your title and a graphic. Anything that you want to change, just click on it, and if it's a graphic you can click replace and it brings you into the files and images boxes. You get your own files that you've uploaded from your computer, some free files, quite a lot of free files from GetResponse, there's a Shutterstock gallery, and then there's GIFs as well. And of course you would just add your own files by clicking on the add file and then dragging and dropping it from your computer or selecting it. So if I just choose a simple image to put in instead of the graphic that was in there before, and then if you just come to the corners you can resize it. You can resize the box that the graphic fits in, and then the actual picture itself. You can change your titles by double clicking on them, and this brings up your font, the size of your font, the color, and then other formatting tools like left alignment, center alignment. You can add a link to it and so on. These templates are multi-page templates, and you don't have to have all of this information. You can get rid of as many pages as you want, so this can be as long or as short as you want. So you just put all your information in there, and up on the top left here you've got your main page, which is variant A, and then your thank you page. And if you click on the thank you page, it brings up obviously the thank you page that appears after your subscriber has subscribed. Above this is two small pictures here, one of a laptop and one of a phone. You're going to have to make sure that you create the mobile version so that it's all aligned and formatted correctly, because you know a lot of people are using their mobiles to do everything now, and although you may have it aligned on the laptop, the mobile could be all over the place. What a good thing that the site does do is, once you are formatting your laptop version, if the formatting does go all out of sync on the laptop, it'll come up with a small circle here with a number in it, 1, 2 or 3, to show you how many alignments are out. And if you just keep switching from one to the other, you'll get it the way you want it. So once you've got all your information in here, you can click save. Just for another information though, if you were wanting to put your your information, if it was an ebook, or for me it was the 10-day list building guide, if you wanted to put that in so that your subscribers can take it from your landing page, then it has to be done on the thank you page. What you need to do is you need to bring a button in here. Use one, obviously there's one in here already, but you could bring the button in, and if you double tap it and click on the link, then that will give you access to put the URL in here. Now you could upload the information onto the GetResponse so that it is in your library. If I just bring a picture in here and click replace, you can upload your file into here so that your ebook or your 10-day list building guide will be in here, and that's where it will be downloaded from for your subscribers. So once you're happy with the way it looks, you can click save and exit. You can save it as a template. You can just save and then click on next step. This will remind you that you need to make sure that the mobile version is correct. And as you can see up here, if I click return to editor, you can see up here that the mobile version said that there was 2 mistakes there. And if I scroll down or scroll up, the second button that I brought onto the main variant wasn't on the mobile variant. So you need to make sure that you get both of these lined and formatted correctly before you go through to the next step. Now this will bring up everything that you need for your page settings. So you've got your page title, description. I wouldn't bother that again unless you want to put it in, of course. Don't click that if you want to index it with search engines, so don't click that. This will be the URL if you want GetResponse to host this landing page, or you can assign your own domain, but that means changing the DNS settings and adding a CNAME to like a subdomain if you want to create a subdomain within your website. Don't ask me how to do that at the moment. I'm not interested in doing that. I'm just going to let GetResponse host it. Make sure that the list is the correct list that you want. So I'm going to put on to the build a huge list in 10 days one with this one. Take the confirmed opt-in off, because at this point we don't need a double opt-in. And you make sure that this goes out on day 0. This goes out at the same time as your first email. So your subscribers, whether you put your ebook or your guide in here, or whether it's on the first email, but these both need to go out at the same time so that the cycle begins at the same time. So just make sure that you've got the right list, it's on the right day of the cycle, your thank you page is correct the way you want it, and then you can publish it. This then gives you the address of your landing page, and this is where you're going to send people through to subscribe to your landing page. Now obviously if you had a website, it would be on a page on your website, but there's nothing wrong with letting GetResponse handle the hosting of this page. All you need to do now is get people to this page and start creating your list. Now I hope that you've got some value from this. I hope that I've taken you through this well, and if you need any more information, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Otherwise, I hope you have all the luck in the world to build your list. Take care, stay safe, see you later.